Hello everyone, this is Noor and welcome back to my channel. Today, as you guys could see from the title, yes, I'm creating my first makeup tutorial from the series 3. This is a Makeup Revolution and Friends TV series, and I'm creating today my first makeup tutorial. And I decided to go with this one as much as I was excited for the colorful palettes, but I'm like, you know what? Let me try neutrals today because I was feeling a little bit more on kind of like a cat eye. I don't know, I was just kind of feeling it, and honestly, your girl's feeling it. I'm totally obsessed with this look. I have to say I'm very impressed with the quality and the pigmentation of this palette right here. And if you guys are wondering, this is how it looks like. I'm absolutely obsessed with the color scheme of this palette, and yeah, I'm really excited to also show you guys how I created this look. If you guys haven't watched already, I already have the haul for the series 3 on my channel. Make sure that you check it out if you haven't, so just to see all the products that I bought from the series 3. If you're new here to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and taking your time to watch my video. Please hit the subscribe button if you're not already, and also hit the notification button to get notified every time I upload a new video. It would really mean a lot to me, and I would love to have you guys aboard on the light family that I have here on my channel. So if you guys want to learn how I created this look, please keep on watching. So the first thing we're going to go ahead and start off is applying a primer or a concealer. I'm using Kat Von D's Whiteout Concealer. And I'm just going to add a tiny bit of this. And I'm going to blend it out with my brush. And I'm going to be blending it out all over, all the way up to the brow bone. And then I'm just going to use my finger and I'm just going to blend it in place. First color I'm going to be taking is this one right here, and this is called Chandler's Job. And this is only a skin tone color that I'm just going to be applying on the brow bone area just to kind of prep out all the blending that's going to be happening. And for today, I just felt like creating kind of like a halo look. Next color I'm taking is called Dirty Day, and it looks like that. It's a nice taupey, kind of like a great background kind of shade. I'm just taking brand new clean brush, and one brush is going to do everything that I need to do on the top. And I'm just going to be taking this color and I'm going to pack it in the inner corners and also in the outer corner. So it is a nice light shade, and I'm literally going to be packing it. I won't be joining the shades in the middle. I'm just going to keep it a full opened halo because I'm applying this kind of like a golden tone. And I'm going to be blending it upwards and outwards. Next color is called Kips, which is this one right here. This is going to go on top of Dirty Day. And now I'm going to start packing this color and making it darker gradually. And once I have the color placed, I'm just going to go ahead and start blending it out. Now I'm going to start going darker, and I'm taking a color. This is called Yeti. This one is a pretty pigmented shade as well, and I'm going to do exactly the same thing that I did with Dirty Day and Kips. So first I'm just going to pack the color in place, and then I'm going to go ahead and start blending it out. And this is gonna go outwards with this, and also going to blend it out. So the reason why I added Chandler's Job first is just gonna help me out with all the blending. And now I'm gonna take the same brush that I use with Chandler's Job, and I'm just going to start blending it into the skin. Now I'll be taking a color called Tan, and I'm gonna be taking it with a big fluffy brush. This is just going to go on top of everything and just kind of like bring the look together. And I'm keeping a super light hand with this, and I'm just going to be blending it out with all the brown shades. Now I'm taking this color right here. This is called Cheese, and I'm gonna start blending this color out only on the lower lash line. I'm gonna take a fine brush like this first. I'm gonna go ahead and pack the color on there very close to the lashes. I'm now taking a small blending brush, packing my brush with that color again, and I'm gonna start blending and smoking it out. And I'm gonna start slowly flicking this shade outwards as well. I don't want it to be too purple, so I'm just flicking it out ever so slightly, just a little bit, mainly more concentrating it on the lower lash line. So it doesn't really need to be perfect. This part could be a nice smoky look. I have to say I'm obsessed with this color. It just brings out the green in my eyes. Like, I'm looking super close to my eyes and I can definitely see the green inside my eyes. I'm obsessed with this color. It's absolutely stunning. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take Race Car Bed. I'm just gonna pack it on my ring finger, and this is a really nice pigmented shade, and I'm just going to go ahead and pack it in the middle of my eye all the way up, kind of like where I left that halo. You're gonna get some fallouts, which is normal because this is a quite powdery eyeshadow. I would say it's not like a creamy shimmer, which is kind of like that, but it's very powdery. And then I'm going to take that brush that I was using with all that shades, and I'm just going to start blending it all out. If you want that gold to stand out a little bit more, I would highly recommend you use a shimmery liquid shadow, and I feel like it would really pop. If you guys are wondering which one I would use, it would be definitely this one right here, the e.l.f. Cosmetic one, and this one is super pretty, and this is called 24K Gold. I'm not sure if I want to add a little bit of this maybe at the end. I will definitely let you guys know, but I'm so tempted on using this because I really want that shimmer to pop. But I'm trying my best to keep this tutorial Makeup Revolution and friends as much as possible, except the liner and the lashes obviously. So I'm just gonna go ahead and continue from there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pack a little bit more of the Race Car Bed. I'm going to be taking a little bit of Over Me, just a tiny bit with my brush. I found that these shimmer shade work best when they're wet, but I'm just going to be taking it dry because I need a little bit of a hue, not so much. And I'm just going to be packing this color with a small eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to pack it on top just to give it a little bit more of a hue. Now I'm gonna go ahead and create my wing liner, and I'm using my Kat Von D Trooper Tattoo Liner, and I'm just going to create a wing, and I'm only going to extend it on the top part, and I'm not going to be joining it at the bottom part. I do have a little bit of a liner inside my eye, but I did it kind of like halfway, and that's what I'm gonna do as well. And for that, I'm going to be using my NYX Smudger Liner, and this is in black. So I'll go ahead and draw out my liner. I'm just gonna go ahead and use my smudger liner now, and I'm going to be tight lining my eye, meaning I'm going to be applying this on the inner upper lash line. And I'm also going to be applying the black gel liner on the lower lash line, in the lower inner lash line. And I'm going to be doing it halfway, not all the way in. So I'm just gonna stop it like right here. Sorry that I forwarded the whole eyeliner tutorial. If ever you want me to create a one-on-one how to create a wing liner like so, please let me know in the comments down below, and I'll be more than happy to do that video for you guys. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and curl my lashes and apply mascara and false lashes as well. And the mascara I'm using is the Benefit the Real. I love this mascara. Mine is done, but I do have a new one. But I just want to really finish it off before opening the new one. And I'm just gonna coat my lashes a little bit with this mascara, and I'm going to be applying false lashes. I'm using the MFMA, and these are the Glam Lash. If ever you're interested in any of the MFMA lashes, I will leave the link down below, and you also have a coupon code. Please use LBBYND for 10% off your purchase. And again, everything is going to be in the description box below, so you can go ahead and check it out. So I'm going to go ahead and pop on the lashes, and I'll be back to finish up the face with you guys. So before I go ahead and apply the falsies, I actually forgot to show you guys one color that I didn't apply on, and it's this color right here. This is called Dollhouse, and it's a pretty shimmery golden pink shade, and I just want to apply it in the lower inner corners with a small eyeshadow brush like so, but I will be wetting my brush, so I'm just taking my Milk Hydro Grip setting spray, packing this color on the brush and applying it into the inner corners. And this color, dry, it didn't really show that much, but definitely wet, it's super pretty. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and apply the lashes. I'll be right back to finish up the face with you guys. Let's go ahead and match up the face to the eyes. Well, kind of. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Makeup Revolution and Friends, and this is from the series 2, and this is the contour and highlight palette. And I'm gonna be taking this color right here. This is called Macchiato, I believe. And I'm just gonna go ahead and contour my face with this color. And this has been one of my favorite contour powders lately. I've been using it non-stop. I find it absolutely stunning, and it goes super well with my skin tone right now. I did tan a little bit, so I am a little bit tanner than usual. So yeah, and I absolutely really like it. And I'm just literally just contouring my face with this, just to bringing a little bit more definition to my face. I might be using a darker shade just to give a little bit more definition. I will be doing that, and I'm using Chai right here, and I'm just going to chisel out the face a little bit more. I'm just gonna go ahead and set my face. I did add 2 beauty marks. I don't know why, I just felt like doing it. And I'm just gonna go ahead and set my face. I've been using the Too Faced the Hungover one, and I really like it. It just really moisturizes. Oh, and I forgot, I have 3 to use, so I'll go ahead and use those at the end, just because I feel my face a little bit dry, a tiny bit. I'm just gonna give it a little bit more moisture, and that's why I put that setting spray. For lips, I'm gonna go ahead and use these combination, and these are from the Phoebe lip kit. And I'm just gonna go ahead and use the liner and the gloss. Now the kit did come with another gloss, but I just feel like using one shade today. And I'm just gonna go ahead and line my lips with this. Totally obsessed with this lip liner color. It's so beautiful. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the gloss right on top. Now for blush, I'm gonna go ahead and use Chickenpox from the actual eyeshadow palette, and it's a pretty soft color, so I'm wondering how it's gonna look like on the face. So I'm pretty sure this is gonna be a really light color, so let's go ahead and try it. Ooh, it's actually not that bad. It is very light, but you can still see it. Ooh, okay, now you see it a little bit more. Do you guys see it? That it's a pretty color. It's absolutely stunning. For highlight, this color right here is very tempting. This is called Ick, and I'm gonna go ahead and try it on my face and see how it's going to look like. Oh, okay, do you guys see that? Okay, this is absolutely pretty. Your girl is shocked. Look at this. Oh my god. Face today, this mug is gorgeous. So there's 3 setting sprays, and I want to use one of them. I mean, they do have scents, and I kind of forgot a little bit what they are. So I have to look at it again. But I think Phoebe is citrus, Monica is pineapple, and Rachel is strawberry. So let me try Monica. It really shoots you in the face. So let me go ahead and fix up this hair, and I'll be back to finish up the tutorial with you guys. Alrighty, you guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun creating this look, and let me tell you one thing, I am feeling it. I feel series 3, they killed it, and I'm so excited to be doing the other makeup tutorials using the other palettes from the series. If you guys haven't watched already, I already did the haul for series 3 here on my channel. You will see it at the end of this video. Make sure that you check it out if you're interested in the products in the series 3, because honestly, it's worth it. Overall, this is the makeup tutorial. If you have any questions or concerns, just leave them all in the comments down below and I will try my best to answer you guys. I want to wish you all a wonderful day. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll talk to you later. Bye!